Hey everyone, hello and welcome to जगदम्बा पर्ल गोल्ड एंड डायमंड। आज के हमारे वीडियो में हम देखने वाले हैं एक से बढ़कर एक। It should be called the new fad. Beats are definitely the new trend of the spring. It's time to have fun because there is no room for boredom. And in Jagadamba Pearl Gold and Diamond, you find variety of beaded jewelry which are made of precious stones which are made in multi-layer, single layer or in the form of chokers. Next one is this contemporary piece. Just look at the stones which are used here, different colors and so many layers here, which gives it a very heavy and lavish look. This is one that piece which is low on budget but it is high on looks. ये वाले pieces now will make you look that queen that you want to look. अगर आप इस तरीके का piece without earrings, without bangles, कुछ भी आपको पहनने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. Just wear this piece on your neck in a simple plain sari and you are ready to go to any party. Now coming to the product specification of this awesome piece, मैं बता दूँ आपको इसका gross weight पड़ेगा 1192 grams and this is a rainbow माला, यानी कि बहुत सारे stones यूज़ किए गए हैं इसमें and काफ़ी heavy भी है. You can custom create this अगर आपको चाहिए एक लाइन में या दो लाइन में. If you want a choker in this, ये सभी चीज़ें आप कर सकते हो by visiting the website which is www.jpearls.com. Next one is a unisex mala. Look at the way this unisex mala is shining from far. दूर से ही इतना अच्छा animated effect आ रहा है that you should definitely explore this Pearl Gold and Diamond because it is made of pure blue sapphires. That's the reason it is shining within. And on top of this, यहाँ पर आपको 4 layers देखने को मिल रहे हैं. And this precious stone is in the shape of circle which has cut stones in it. And the weight of this, यानी कि gross weight, is 806 grams and 4 lines है. So even men can wear this as a groom on their wedding. अगर आपको इसको और भी ज़्यादा custom create करना है, जैसे आपको side brooch लगा देना है या फिर आपको pendant लगाना है, आप वो भी कर सकते हो by visiting the website which is www.jpearls.com. To know the prices and the best prices, please contact the WhatsApp number which is being displayed on the screen. Last but not the least, this one is a Mozanite Mala which has 3 layers in it. Look at the color, it looks so cute to watch because this kind of colors which are not so heavy आँखों को है ना बहुत सूदिंग इफेक्ट देते हैं. आजकल ज्वेलरी यानी कि वी वेयर हैवी ज्वेलरीज एंड द ज्वेलरी कलर्स आर रियली वेरी डार्क एंड इट्स एक्चुअली आई डैमेजिंग. हमको ज़्यादा पसंद नहीं आते हैं. बट थोड़े लोग होते हैं जिनको सूदिंग कलर्स, सूदिंग पीसेस, सूदिंग स्टोन्स पसंद आते हैं. देन यू कैन गो फॉर दिस काइंड ऑफ अ पीस क्योंकि इसका कलर भी बहुत ज़्यादा लाइट है एंड यू कैन वेयर दिस ऑन एनी काइंड ऑफ अटायर. यू कैन वेयर दिस इन सिल्वर ड्रेसेस, यू कैन इवन वेयर दिस इन योर स्कर्ट्स एंड ऑल्सो योर वेस्टर्न ड्रेसेस. इट्स अ वेरी वर्सटाइल पीस. Now coming to the weight of this piece, इसका weight है 521 grams and you can custom create this, यानी कि आप side brooch ऐड कर सकते हो या फिर pendant ऐड कर सकते हो or you can even make a choker out of this piece by visiting the website which is www.jpearls.com. रहे the beaded jewelry which are made of precious stones in Jagadamba Pearl Gold and Diamond. These are so cute and adorable. You can book your own piece by visiting the website which is www.jpearls.com. It looks really very playful and it goes well with any kind of attire that you have in your wardrobe. And I totally love the way this looked in my sari as well. So अगर आप confused हो and you're thinking if beaded jewelry or mala is in trend, so let me tell you, yes, it is in trend because it adds that playful look to your complete attire and also a artistic and a fashion expression which will be added to any kind of attire that you're going to carry with glossy coated oblong shapes, whichever you want. You can custom create it. While modern pieces are still campy, they have been rebranded as maximalist statements for those looking to accessorize while reminiscing their beauty. So these kind of jewelry are vintage, but at the same time they act as statement pieces in any kind of dresses like sari, salwar kameez or even the formal top. You can just pair it up with a mala or a choker or a bracelet. This looks too good. I mean, I have become a total fan of these kind of jewelry. Let me know what do you feel about the jewelry that we have seen on the video today and आपको कौन सा अच्छा लगा मुझे ज़रूर बताइए. season. The 90s and Y2K revivals have started again in the fashion world with a new dose of energy, lightness, optimism, brightness, hue, and joy. And in Jagadamba Pearl Gold and Diamond, you find variety of beaded jewellery which are made of precious stones, which are made in multi-layer, single layer, or in the form of chokers. That's the reason why you should not miss any time and look into the jewellery we have bought for you today. Alright dosto, now coming to the jewellery customization, you can customize this in any color and also shapes. Like you can see यहाँ पर आपको oval shapes मिल जाएंगे, round shape मिल जाएंगे, cut shape मिल जाएगा. You can actually customize this in any geometric piece that you want. That's what is the beauty about jewellery at Jagadamba Pearl Gold and Diamond. Alright दोस्तों, आज की वीडियो के लिए बस इतना ही. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. If you did, do not forget to subscribe to the channel, hit on the bell icon and stay connected to another video. Until then, take care. Bye-bye.